Hey there. Welcome to Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. In life's messes, we learn and grow. Around here, it's not about perfection, it's about the process. Whether we're crafting, cooking, gardening, or going on fun family adventures, we're always trying something new, making messes and memories. Did you know you can transform an ordinary pan into a beautiful, functional way to display and organize your favorite accessories? Whether you love a rustic look, something glam, or totally personalized, this project is fun, budget-friendly, and beginner-friendly. Let's get organized, one sparkle at a time. You will need a baking pan, contact paper, rhinestone ribbon, magnetic containers, magnetic hooks, jute rope, scissors, hot glue gun and glue. Measure and cut. Start by measuring your contact paper to fit the inside of your baking pan. Then cut it to size. Apply the contact paper. Peel and stick the contact paper to the inside of the pan. Smooth it out as you go to remove any air bubbles or creases. Add decorative trim. Using hot glue, attach diamond ribbon or any decorative trim you like along the edges of the pan to give it a polished look. Attach hanging rope. Cut a piece of jute rope and glue it securely to the back of the pan to create a loop for hanging your organizer on the wall. Add storage pieces. Stick magnetic containers and small magnetic hooks inside the pan. These will hold your jewelry pieces and keep everything in place. Organize your jewelry. Hang bracelets and necklaces on the hooks or rim of the pan. Use the magnetic containers to store rings, earrings, and other small accessories. And there you have it, a simple, stylish, and budget-friendly jewelry organizer made from a baking pan. Not only does this project help keep your accessories neat and easy to find, but it also adds a personal, decorative touch to your space. Whether you hang it in your bedroom, bathroom, or closet, it's a fun way to blend function with creativity. I hope this inspires you to turn everyday items into something beautiful and useful. Keep crafting, keep organizing, and remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the process. Have a great day.